Hi everyone, in this video we're going to introduce some placeholder text, okay, instead of using the word placeholder text, okay, or XXX, which we learned earlier on. I'm going to show you a website to get it from, and I'm going to show you a sweet plugin called Content Reel, and we will update our paragraph style, just because. All that and more, actually no more, just that, in this video. Let's get started. Okay, so we need some placeholder text, because writing that or writing, I think earlier on we did XXX, that's not gonna fly. We're gonna use something called Lorem ipsum. Some people don't like using it, that's fine. Okay, you saw it at the beginning there, it just is Latin mixed up words that kind of look like English. Okay, there is Lorem ipsum for all different languages, but let's have a look. These an easy way, okay, well, easy way. This is like, I don't know, it's a rite of passage to go to ipsum.com, okay, full of ads, horribly designed, but I don't know, everybody uses it. So if you only see it just this once, know that, there you go, that is it. I need one paragraph, generate Lorem ipsum, and you can copy this out and paste it into your document. Okay, and it just kind of holds the placeholder. That's about it until we get the text from the copywriter. It just means we're not, it's just a little bit easier to design. And it gives us an idea of kind of like line height and different words and the font size. But like a lot of things in Figma, there is a plugin for that. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my home, or remember, go back to files. Okay, however you get back here, find the community part. Okay, and we're going to go to plugins, and I want to search for Content Reel. Okay, R-E-E-L. Okay, this one here is super awesome. We're going to use it for this plus a lot of other things out in the course. There might be a better one now. Google best alternative for Content Reel, or best placeholder text plugin for Figma. Okay, I'm going to install it. Plugins are so good. Install real quickly. Go to the tab. Okay, open the plugin. There it is there, Content Reel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my type tool, T key. Okay, drag this out. I'm actually turn on my columns. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to grab my type tool, and I'm going to grab a type box that's kind of fitting within here. And with the cursor flashing, I'm going to say Lorem ipsum. Okay, and you can kind of break it down. We'll look at some of these other ones later on, but I want Lorem ipsum to go in. It's too big. Imagine if I had a shortcut to get it down to like body copy text. Okay, so I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to go over here and say, actually, you, my friend, are going to be paragraph. And I've also noticed here is that my line spacing. So my line spacing for paragraph isn't good. Okay, it's really tight. And I like it better over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. What is this set to? Set it to 115%. I don't like that weird number. Okay, but over here it is set to, how do I go and update this one? Who remembers? It's like a test, pop quiz. You remember, have nothing selected, and there they all are here. I can go into this. What I'm going to do is finish with you, Content Reel. Thank you very much. That was the Lorem ipsum thing. We're finished with him. So here we are. It remembered that from last time I was working. So if you delete it all and kind of just click out, it'll go to auto. Auto is quite handy. It's pretty good. Okay, you can force it, okay, by typing stuff in, but I'm just going to leave it at 100% or auto. Actually, it's not 100%. It's a little bit bigger. Okay, so the default here is 20.2, and I like that better. Okay, and the cool thing about it is now if I apply it over here and I say you are going to be the style of paragraph, it's going to keep the white, but it's going to use that new line spacing. So if you get style set up, even though they feel a bit early for them, especially with body copy, it means that you can update things quickly across a really large document. So I'm going to go, you, my friends, are paragraph. Look at that. All right, that is Lorem ipsum placeholder text in Figma for your mockups. Oh, one note that if you are working, like say your client is like my dad, love my dad. If I send him this though, he would complain that it was broken, and I'll have to explain it to him in an email that it's placeholder text and it's, it's mixed up Latin words just to give the impression, because we don't have the text written yet, just so you know. It'll happen once to you. All right, next video.